introducing this. Hi, I'm David Lee of Vital Health, and I just want to first talk to you a little bit about the biohealth assessment workshop that I want to introduce to you as a group session or as a group workshop. Probably going to be about a couple hours for a very reasonable cost, as you can see in my ads. Just want to tell you a little bit about what this BioScan technology is about. The people that developed it, it started back in the 50s with Dr. Voll, who got into energy centers in the body. And Dr. Jernigan recently was one of the founders or one of the doctors that helped develop some of the technology. And there's many other doctors involved as well and scientists. The benefits of this BioScan, well, first of all, it works like this. It has a probe, right? And you can see the device is a device here that basically is just a small device attached to my laptop, and basically you hold on to the probe, and in 1 minute we're going to get a scan readout of your body. We have about a 35-page readout of your body, and we'll be able to assess all the different things. So some of the things that it will give me results on is I will get to see what deficiencies you have in your diet. I'll get to see what vitamin levels, your mineral levels. I will get to see your hormone levels, the state of your bones, osteoporosis, arthritis, toxins in your body, the level of hormones, the state of your organs. I mean, these are really crucial information to have when you're a nutritionist and a health practitioner, because then I can figure out what is going on with your body and what the deficiencies and weaknesses are. Then that will help me plan a better nutritional plan for you to help remedy that problem. So I'm going to also get into the different healthy meal plans, as well as juicing and supplement plans that are out there, and the benefit of different vitamins and supplements that are out there with you in this workshop. So you're getting a really a good informative workshop here for a very low cost price, because I wanted to make sure that everyone can afford to come. And then I would also schedule a small brief assessment session for each individual to get a BioScan with me, and I'll have to probably schedule a later time, but everyone will get a scheduled time to get a BioScan of their body as well. So this is a really comprehensive workshop that I want to offer at a very reasonable price, and want to educate you about my whole program. And from this information, I will then be able to show people how to assess their body, and from that, I can help you with your weight loss, your diet goals, or if you're an athlete, how to get more energy, to have better recovery for your sport, all those things. The list just goes on, all the benefits that you can derive from the information from this bioassessment. So the regular value of this bioassessment is $150, but I'm giving it away basically for the price of what you paid for on this ad. So hope you sign up, and we'll look forward to meeting all of you. Take care.
Sorry. My